this Wi-Fi, the owner don't remember the Wi-Fi password. So I want to show you guys how you can remove password on this Wi-Fi. That is to reset it to factory settings and get the Wi-Fi back password. So in case you drop it for so long and maybe of the Wi-Fi, so you can no longer get the Wi-Fi password. You can see this one, the back has peeled off. You can't get the password again from the back. So concentrate and watch this video carefully. You will understand how to get back your password on this Wi-Fi. This process, we are going to make use of PC also, so you have to get a computer for this process. So you can see this hole, this tiny little hole. This is where we are going to, the place we are going to use to get, that is to factory reset the Wi-Fi to get back the original password that comes with the Wi-Fi before the setup before. So now let me turn it on. You can see, turn it on, you power it on. Yeah. So the Wi-Fi is on now. So here, make use of office pin to press in the small hole for 10 to 15 seconds. Watch the video carefully. Now let me show you how to do it. Follow the video. You see, you press it down and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds until you see the light displaying on the Wi-Fi restart. Okay, let me show it to you guys. You see the light, it reboots. So you now discover that the system has reboot. So you now wait for it to load up to normal. So it's loading up. You can see everything. So now you connect it to your system, connect it to a laptop, to a PC with a data cable. Data cable means a cable you use to transfer files from maybe phone to system to PC. So you connect it to a data cable to your system. You can see now. Now let's start. Immediately you connect it, it will show up. For some systems it will show up. It depends the kind of window you are using, it will show up. If it didn't show up, you have to open, you have to look to where you see my PC, that is my computer, the PC. Now you open up, let me drag it to this side so everyone can see clearly. Now you double click on where you see this auto load MTN, you double click it, you wait for it to install. When it install, then when the installation process is done, it will show up the Wi-Fi software on the system. That is where you can double click to get everything done. So here you wait and you can see it show up the MTN Wi-Fi installed to the PC. So on the MTN logo you are seeing straight to your desktop, you have to double click it again. You double click, and wait for it to load up. It will open a browser that is default to the system. So you wait for it to load up and open a browser that is loaded up. You can see it has started opening up my browser. So for the purpose of this video, I have to refresh for you to see that everything is going well. But it doesn't matter whether you refresh. You can see I refresh almost twice and it's showing up log in. So let me show you to the PC. You click on where you see internet. It it show connected because it's connected to the data cable, but no data. It doesn't mean it will load. So here you have to use the password as admin to log in. The default password is admin because we just wipe. You can see it here, admin. The login. Here I don't want to save it to my system, so I just got to X it. I don't want to save it, to my system, so I exit. So you can see I have logged in. Let me go up, scroll up. I log in, everything is logging. You can see the right side is showing logout here. So I've already logged in. For some systems, for some systems or some Wi-Fi or Mifi, it might show you to. You might first go to the settings before you get the password, everything on the Wi-Fi. But for this Wi-Fi, I scroll down and this is where I see my Wi-Fi and everything show up here. You can see this is the Wi-Fi password. Let me click to view it. This is the Wi-Fi password I'm working on now. So this is the Wi-Fi password. You use it, you can copy it down, write it down. You have getting your Wi-Fi password, so you can see everything clear and everything works successfully. Thank you for watching. Congratulations, you have your Wi-Fi setup back.